Samsung releases two major flagship series every year. First of all, we normally have the S series. This year it was the S10. And then later in the year we have the Note series. This year, of course, the Note 10. So today we're going to pitch the Galaxy Note 10 Plus against the Galaxy S10 Plus and see if Samsung can beat Samsung. So we have the Galaxy Note 10 Plus with the Snapdragon 855 on the left-hand side. We have the Galaxy S10 Plus with the Snapdragon 855 on the right-hand side. So these are both the Snapdragon versions of the Note and S series, respectively. No Exynos processors here to be found. Now, of course, they both got the same processor and they've both got the same screen resolution. Although both devices come with Quad HD displays, Samsung set them to Full HD in the box. Therefore, when you buy it, when you get it from the shop, this is how you're going to use the device. And as I'm saying that, both devices are into the bloom test and both devices are just there. We go. The SQL light test just gone in a fraction of a second, like a hot knife through butter, as both devices are now into the 3D cubes test. So really this is neck and neck at this point, slightly by a nose, by an absolute nose, by the Galaxy S10 Plus as it goes into the 2D gaming test, and they are both now into the 16 thread test. This really is going to go down to the very last moment. Which of these two devices are going to win? Which one's going to go into the Unity test first? It looks like it's going to be, yes, it's the S10 Plus going into the Unity test first. Oh, just a second or so behind it, not even a second behind it, is the Note 10 Plus. They are both now going through this flyover that we've made, and they are both using, of course, the same GPU, the Adreno 640 that you find in the Snapdragon 855, and they both have the same screen resolution. So which one is going to be able to tear its way through quicker? And looking at this, which one's going to get to the sun first? Look, there it was, the left-hand side, the Note 10 Plus, the sun now, the Galaxy S10 Plus with the sun on the right-hand side. So I think the Note 10 Plus is in the lead as we come down to the castle. Yes, it is, because it's the first into the compression test. There we go. 6-7, and the compression test on the right hand side. Which going to finish first? There we go. 1 minute and 30.3 for the Note 10 Plus and 1 minute 32.7 for the Galaxy S10 Plus. Well, let's break down those scores and see what happened. So overall, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the newer generation, the newer phone from Samsung, was able to complete the test in 1 minute 30.3, and the Galaxy S10 Plus did it in 1 minute 32.7. When you look at the CPU time, it's exactly the same on both sides, 22.7, 22.7, both doing that SQL light test in equally blazing fast time. When you get to the mixed CPU, GPU times, we get 38.9 versus 38.2, so a very slight lead there by the S10 Plus. But when we get down to the GPU, it looked, and we saw that as we were doing the flyover, the GPU is performing better there in the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, 28.7 versus 31.7. When you add up all that together, 1 minute and 30.3 for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. My name is Gary Sims, this is SpeedTest G. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Also, do consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget we also have a Twitter account, SpeedTest_G. Okay, that's it. I'll see you in the next one.